Hi tech lovers, in today's video features a face-to-face comparison of TCL's two powerful TVs, the X955 and the X11K. Let's find out the real performance of brightness, contrast, color and features. Which one will be the best choice for you? Let's get started. Firstly, display. Display type, panel type, display backlight, screen size, refresh rate, display resolution, display brightness, response time, pixel density, display colors, aspect ratio, static contrast, HDR formats, filmmaker mode. Next, gaming. HDMI variable refresh rate, adaptive sync, auto low latency mode, game optimizer, high gig. Next, connectivity. HDMI ports, HDMI version, HDMI consumer electronic control, HDMI audio return channel, Miracast, Apple AirPlay, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, USB ports, 3.5mm audio jack, Ethernet, screen mirroring. Next, audio. Audio formats, speakers, total speaker output, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital AC3, Dolby AC4, Detach Virtual X, Detach Digital Surround, Detach HD, sound technology. Next, smart TV features, operating system version, system on chip, app store type, RAM, storage, voice search, voice assistance, supported apps. Next, design. Dimensions. Dimensions with stand. Weight, without stand and with stand. Wall mount size. In the box. TV tuners. Power consumption. Remote control. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.